law enforcement agency or your county emergency management. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time Monday morning for southeast Alabama and North Florida and southwestern Georgia. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard